Hi guys, and welcome to WholeElise. I'm Elise and today we're going to be making vegan breakfast muffins. I'll admit, trying to produce a muffin that doesn't have any oil or sugar in it to give it that really light and fluffy texture is a little bit of a challenge, but I finally think I've cracked it with this muffin recipe. Not only are they completely free of refined sugar and oils, but they don't require any weird or exotic ingredients, and even though I'm making two different classic muffin flavors, blueberry and banana nut, they both have the exact same base recipe, making it very easy to make your own different flavors and customize it to whatever you like. And it produces this really light and fluffy muffin that is just as good as any regular muffin. You won't be able to tell the difference. These muffins are also jam-packed full of fruit and fibre, making it a great option for breakfast on the go. Whether or not you're currently doing veganuary or you're just on a hunt for a great muffin recipe, this is the perfect recipe for you. I have more plant-based recipes along with natural DIYs as a great way to start introducing more natural foods and products into your lifestyle. So if that's of interest to you, definitely subscribe to my channel as well as giving this video a thumbs up. Okay, let's get straight into making these muffins. Let's start off by making our blueberry muffins. First, mix together your dry ingredients, the whole wheat flour, baking soda and powder, cinnamon and oats. I'm using jumbo rolled oats so that we get the full benefits of the whole grain. After a good whisk, set the flour mixture aside and let's move on to our wet ingredients. In a bowl, pour your yogurt of choice. I'm using a plain unsweetened almond yogurt. Add the coconut milk. This is the thick milk that comes in a can and not the drinking kind. And then add your maple syrup or sweetener of choice. I forgot to show this, but I also added in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. The full recipe will be listed in the description down below. Once everything's combined, we're going to add this to our flour mixture. You don't want to overwork the batter too much, so gently fold in the mixture until you can't see any big lumps of flour, but don't worry about the smaller lumps. Then grate in your lemon zest. Oh, and make sure you use unwaxed lemons. Fold in your blueberries and set the batter aside. I'm going to bake both the blueberry muffins as well as the banana nut muffins together, but if you're just doing one, you can move straight onto the baking. For the banana nut muffins, it's best to use overripe bananas as they're much sweeter and have a stronger flavour. Mash them together with a fork until creamy. If you like having bigger pieces of banana in your muffins, then make sure to leave some of the bananas intact. To this, we're going to add in the yogurt, coconut milk and maple syrup. Set this aside and let's move on to prepping our dry ingredients. Like with the blueberry muffins, we're going to whisk together the flour, baking powder and soda, cinnamon as well as some nutmeg. Then fold in the banana mixture until just combined. Add in your chopped walnuts or any other nuts that you prefer. And we're ready to bake our muffins. Because I want to make extra hearty breakfast muffins, I'm going to use a giant muffin tray, so I'll get about 6 muffins out of each batter. But the recipe does make 12 regular sized muffins. Either use muffin cases or spoon the mixture directly into a lightly greased muffin tray. If you want your breakfast muffins to be evenly sized, feel free to use an ice cream scoop, but I prefer to eyeball it. All that's left is to bake your muffins in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And voila! We have light and fluffy vegan breakfast muffins. I'd recommend leaving them in the tray to cool for at least 5 minutes before attempting to take them out. It shouldn't be too difficult to take your muffins out of the tray. Simply run a knife along the edge of each muffin and it should lift out fairly easily. So this is the size of a regular muffin, and this one is the breakfast muffin that I made. If you don't have a big muffin tin, then you'll get 12 regular muffin sizes. These muffins are incredibly light and fluffy. This recipe is jam-packed full of fruit and fibre, it uses whole wheat flour, and it is completely free of refined sugars as well as oil, making it a great choice for a healthier breakfast while still feeling like you're having a treat. Do let me know if you give this recipe a try, and subscribe to my channel for even more plant-based recipes and natural DIYs. Thanks for watching.
Check out my recipes playlist for even more delicious plant-based foods.